Hey creators, we got our hands on 5 of the most talked about budget 3D printers of 2025. And we didn't just unbox them, we actually put them to work. From multicolor prints to resin level detail, we tested each one in real world scenarios to see which delivers the most bang for your buck. Let's dive in. This one's a DIY dream. The Creality Ender 3v3SE surprised us with its 250mm per second printing speed. Seriously fast for its price point. Setup was smooth thanks to CR Touch auto leveling, and the Sprite Direct Extruder handled flexible filaments like a champ. Dual Z-axis and Y-axis enhancements gave it stability even during tall prints. We printed a functional phone stand and a mini drone frame. Both came out crisp and strong. If you're into tinkering and want a reliable workhorse, this one's a no-brainer. Check the description for the best price and product link. We found a killer deal. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. This printer is pure plug-and-play magic. We had it up and running in under 20 minutes, and the multicolor printing blew us away. It's quiet, like less than or equal to 48 decibels quiet, so you can run it in your bedroom without waking the neighbors. Full auto calibration and active flow rate compensation meant we didn't have to babysit it. We printed a multicolor figurine and a dual-tone keychain, and the precision was next level. If you want speed, silence, and style, the A1 Mini is your go-to. Hit the description for links and the best deals we found online. Resin printing on a budget? Yes, please. The Photon Mono 4 packs a 10K mono screen into a compact body, and the results are stunning. We printed a detailed miniature with facial features and armor textures that looked like they came off a $1,000 printer. The upgraded Li Turbo Matrix and platform gave us consistent exposure and adhesion. If you're into jewelry, miniatures, or ultra-fine detail, this resin beast is unbeatable at this price. Check the description for product links and the best resin printer deal of 2025. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. This one's built for scale. With a large build volume, we printed a full-size helmet in one go. No slicing, no gluing. The dual-gear direct extruder handled tough filaments like PETG with ease, and the auto bed leveling saved us hours of frustration. The removable capacitive screen was a nice touch for quick tweaks mid-print. If you're ready to level up your hobby or start selling prints, the Neptune 3 Pro is a serious contender. Tap the description for the product link and our top pick for large format printing. Tina 2S Mini 3D Printer. Don't let the size fool you. This guy is packed with features. Fully assembled out of the box, Wi-Fi cloud printing, auto leveling, and app control made it perfect for beginners and kids. We printed a toy car and a custom nameplate using just the app, and it worked flawlessly. It's quiet, precise, and ideal for STEM education or casual creators who want to dip their toes into 3D printing. Check the description for links and the best beginner-friendly printer deal we found. We tested these printers hands-on, and each one shines in its own lane, from multicolor magic to resin precision. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a side hustle entrepreneur, there's something here for you. Hit that like button if this helped. And don't forget to check the description for all the product links and best prices we hunted down for you.